In Italy, the building of competition cars is a considerable industry. Here we see the Oscar factory at Bologna. The Maserati factory is close by. And most famous of them all, the Scuderia Ferrari at Maranello. The final touches are being made to Mike Hawthorne's cars. He's joined by Tom Cole, who so tragically met his death later in the year at Le Mans. Always very much in command, Enzo Ferrari, the man who has built the winning cars for the last 5 Mille Miglia. From miles around, people have come to Maranello to see the Ferraris for this year's race on test. And here's Villaresi himself giving a typical explanation. At Alfa Romeo's in Milan, they look on racing as part of the job of developing cars and engines for ordinary use. So the engine designer works closely with the two chief testers, Stanesi and Zanardi. Zanardi is taking their new Mille Miglia car off to Monza racetrack for a final test. The car has been prepared in great secrecy, for here is one of the greatest threats to Ferrari. The new Alfa is not only much smaller than the fast production saloon, but is fitted with an engine of nearly twice the size. On another track, at Modena, one of many privately owned Ferraris is under test. Closed cars can have far better streamlining than open ones, and as it's poured with rain during every Mille Miglia since the war as well, many drivers prefer them. But some prefer an open car, like Giannino Mazzotto, brilliant and serious-minded driver, just taking delivery of one of the latest 4.1 Ferrari. They say it'll reach 186 miles an hour. And what better place to find out than the street outside the showroom?